guys, welcome back to our channel, The Amazing Pro Kids 10. Today, let's understand the few main blocks of looks in scratch.mit.edu. So, first, I'll get rid of this cat and go and pick a sprite. So, I'll go to the food. And then I'll choose a glass of water. Yeah. So, the first thing we are going to encounter is the block say hello or anything else for 2 seconds. So let me start the code with the events block. Yeah. So when we click, it will say hello. The glass will say hello for 2 seconds. Hello. Oh, we can also increase the seconds and also edit the text. Let's say jet. Then then we have the say just say hello block. And then it will not disappear, it will just say. Next, we have the think for 2 seconds block. In the same way, we can also edit this block text and seconds. Let's say, I am a great class for the yes. So the difference here is that in say hello 2 seconds, first there'll be a like it's saying, and the second there'll be bubble so that it's thinking. That's the difference. Now we have the same block without anything, just think. Next we have the next set of blocks, which is switch costume to. So in the board there'll be 3 options called code, costumes and sound. So go to costumes. There'll be the costumes you like. Fun with glass of water, 2 without glass of water, or you can add or paint many costumes as well. This is a surprise costume. So now let's say switch costume to glass of water B, or we can edit that to, let's say, A, B, like that. There's an option called next costume, and also here when we click next costume, it switches its costume to the next one. When it's in full, it switches to half empty, and then when it's empty, it switches to full. Next, we have the next backdrop and the switch backdrop. So let me pick a backdrop. I'll go for underwater 2. And let me pick another backdrop. Theater, another one. Stripes. I'm picking random here. Yeah. So first one is when click switch backdrop to random backdrop or previous, next, previous, or baseball stripe specific one. Let's say random backdrop. It switches to the one it's like. So now let's say next backdrop, and I'll put that in the forever loop, and I'll say wait 1 second. I'll go to the backdrop, and then we can also code here. I'll delete one of the backdrop. Yeah. So it'll wait 1 second, and then it will go to the next backdrop. It is doing forever. Now next we have the set and change size block. So here what will it be doing is it should change size by 10, so it becomes bigger every time, or we can change it by negative number. Or yeah, or we can change by even greater number. It becomes too big, or change it by a smaller number. So that it becomes smaller. Or we can set its size when the green flag is clicked. Let's say set size to 100%. It's checked. Or let's say some random number. It will become too big. Or we can say 24%. It will become small, very small. Or we can use another option too. So we can also input uh, any other round blocks in this place. Let's say for example X position or Y position or direction, etc. Yes. The next block is change color block, set color block, and clear graphic effects block. So in this color block we can have any other things. Color effect is changing the glass color effect, the color of the water. So whenever we click this block, the color changes. Or we can say facial effect. It will become more like a facial. So I'll just set the color. Yes. Next we can the whirl effect. So I'll just whirl, or the pixelate effect, it will just pixelate, or the mosaic effect, like that. The brightness effect, which is brighter and then goes completely invisible, or the ghost effect. So all these effects can be changed by a specific amount of number. Let's say 1 and maybe 34 color effect. Now I'll go to forever. Wait. See, whenever we wait 1 second and then change the color of the water. And then or we can use that in the repeat 10 block. I'll say repeat just 5. Yeah. Or let's say repeat 2 times. 1, 2. And then it will stop. Then after some time, we want this all effect to go to 0 set. So what it does, it changes the effect and then sets all the effect to not 0, which is changing its color to the costume color. Next, we have the clear graphic effects block. So what I'll do is, I'll take this here, I'll duplicate that, I'll say this facial, I'll duplicate this, I'll put it here, whirl and pixelate, I'll keep it here. Now it will be doing that. Yeah, there you go. It repeated it 2 times. Now after that it should clear the all graphic effects. So I can't go to here and then set color effect, everything will be like taking one for so many blocks. So I'll say clear graphic effects. Let's try that. 1. It's done it. As in once the graphic effects are like once this is over, change the graphics, clear them. Next is the hide or show block. So this hide or show, we know the hide and seek game, so we can use it to make a hide and seek game in Scratch. When it should show, it will show with an R control, hide, show, like that. Next is the go to front layer and go forward by layer block. Now I'll pick another sprite. I'll pick him and he dance. So So I'll go to front layer, it'll go front, or I'll say back layer, it'll go back. If I say front layer, it'll go to the front, like cover up all the other sprites or backdrops, or go forward by one layer. Let me take another layer, balloon one. Now I'll say go to black layer. Now I'll take the when green flag click, go to back layer, and then it should wait for 1 second, go forward by one layer. So let's say wait 3 seconds. So it's back, it'll wait 3 seconds and then come front. And then we can also say wait 3 seconds and then come to the front, even in front of the balloon. And then after 3 seconds it did come in front of the balloon. So now yeah, these are the blocks we are gonna use. Next are the costume number, backdrop number, and size block. They are the round blocks which can fit into any round number. So now let's say costume name or number. Costume name is glass water A, costume number is 1. Backdrop number is 2, or backdrop name is theater. Now let's say next backdrop. Backdrop number is name is baseball 2 and number is 4. Now we can also measure the size, which is 100. Let's say the size is 32. It shows the size. Let's say the size some random number. It shows the size. So this block helps us measure something, or in case something let's say backdrop name equals to baseball 2, then we can do something. So that's it guys for today. So please like this video if you like it, and give me a thumbs up because this video is amazing and I know that. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also learn with you. So thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we will be understanding the sound block in Scratch. Bye!